Stress eating is not about willpower. Most of the time when you're stress eating, it's not about hunger. It's your nervous system, your body trying to calm down, and it's comfort. I'll come home after a stressful, pressure-filled workday, and I'll come home and the first thing I want to do is open the cupboard and find a snack. That's reacting to the circumstances around you. And your body wants to react. Sometimes it could be a hormonal shift in your body or an emotional conversation you've had. I get sad and I want to eat. I get angry and I want to eat. Sometimes it's decision fatigue. Maybe you've made too many decisions today and you just can't handle another one. And you don't really realize it. It's kind of a subconscious thing because your willpower and your decisions have a battery life. At night, it could be boredom. Like the times that I sit down to have a beer and watch a TV show with my husband. And what do you want to do? You want a snack. It's not that your body wants calories, and it's not that you're truly hungry. It's just that your body and your mind want to take that break, to get that comfort. And sometimes it's a trigger that we've learned over our lifetime, or as a kid even. I remember in kindergarten eating candy for rewards. How often have we rewarded our children with food? So guess what that does? Now we think food is a reward or food is comfort. There's just all kinds of psychological things going on there, right? When you're stressed, your body goes into alert mode, and alert mode looks for something fast, and fast would be chips. I'm going to give you a little substitute here. Keep a bag of nuts in the cupboard too, because sometimes I'll just grab a few nuts and that satisfies good enough. But what you want is sugar, crunch, wine, even just something. It's a comfort and a regulation-seeking behavior. And it's not a lack of discipline. So we can stop beating ourselves up here. It's not a lack of willpower. Your decision-making ability has a battery, and you run out as the day wears on. So willpower backfires on us because it goes through cycles, right? We get stressed, we eat, then we feel bad about eating, and then we try to restrict ourselves and discipline ourselves, which creates more stress, and the cycle goes on. We're focused on what we don't want, so we get more of what we don't want. So you can't solve this whole problem with more stress on yourself, more discipline. Let's just do this instead. Let's just take a break and pause when we feel like eating and just ask ourselves, am I really hungry? Or is this a stress response? Am I overloaded with decisions and all that? If you're actually hungry, grab a healthy snack. If it's not actual hunger, then take a walk. Go outside, get some sunshine on your face. Breathe in the fresh air. I have a pattern of breathing that I do before my meditations. It's count to 7 in, hold for 7, count for 7 out, hold for 7, and I do that 7 times. It will regulate you. It will bring you down from that stress. Sometimes even one breath helps. So just slow, deep breaths. And when you take deep breaths, fill up your belly. It's moving your diaphragm down and giving your lungs lots of room to take in that air. And by giving your body that space and your mind that space, it calms itself down. Another little trick, at night, I like these 2 little tricks. Drink a cup of hot tea. I might add a little raw honey to it, but just having a cup of tea, just something warm to sip on, it's comforting. The second nighttime trick is to brush your teeth. Nobody wants to eat after they brush their teeth. It's kind of gross. And then lastly, I have this. I just taught my Grace Reset folks on my email list this trick. Close the kitchen. The kitchen is closed after a certain time. For me, it's 6 p.m. Other people pick 7 p.m. And that's okay. And some days I do have to pick 7 p.m. because it's been a busy day and we had a late supper. But the kitchen is closed. You may not go in there. It's closed. You're not denying yourself. This is the line that I want you to repeat. Maybe write it down. You're not denying yourself. You're leading yourself. One of the wisest thing you can do for yourself is self-control. You don't need more willpower. You need more regulation. That's the line. And I want to say this to women of a certain age. Hormones amplify these stress signals. It's not a weakness. It's actually physiology. So it actually happens. And you're not crazy. So here is your line. You can write this down and say it to yourself. I regulate before I restrict. It's a reframing.